Ja, verkligen. Tar du kort på den där? Ja?
Czekaj, ludzie przecież.
Demonstrate the safety features of this aircraft. By law, your seatbelt must be fastened when the seatbelt sign is on. Keeping it fastened throughout the flight may avoid injury and unexpected turbulence. For takeoff and landing, your seatbelt must be fastened low and tight over your hips. To tighten, pull the strap, and to release, slip the clasp on the buckle. Smoking has been banned by government regulation and is prohibited at all times in this aircraft, including the toilets. Please look at the crew members demonstrating in front of you. In an emergency, the crew are the first people you should look to for instructions. The team is now showing you the emergency exits. One door at the rear of the cabin, 4 opening exits in the centre, and 2 doors at the front. Please remember your nearest exit may be behind you. There is a row of lights in the aisle to guide you to these exits in darkness, or if there is smoke in the cabin. A red light indicates that you have reached an emergency exit. You should also be familiar with the emergency brace position. Please check the illustration on your safety information card. A loss of cabin pressure at altitude can result in a loss of oxygen. So if a mask appears from above you, pull down on it firmly. Put it on quickly and ensure it is securely fitted by adjusting the elastic strap. Once you have your own oxygen mask on, you can help other people around you, including children. Different aircraft carry different types of life jackets. Yours is located under your seat. If instructed by the crew, remove it from its container and slip it over your head. To fit, pass the tape around your waist and clip at the front. To tighten, pull the strap. To inflate, pull down on the red toggles. The jacket can be manually inflated or extra air can be added with these mouthpieces. The jacket has a light and a whistle, both for attracting attention. Please do not inflate the life jacket until you are leaving the aircraft. This aircraft is fitted with escape signs and the crew will operate them if necessary. You'll find all safety information on the safety card in the seat pocket in front of you. Please take a moment to read it before takeoff. Remember, the crew are here for your safety as your safety is our highest priority. I'd like to thank you for your attention and please enjoy the flight.
from the flight deck. In case my name, I'm the captain for this afternoon. There's now the flight deck, John Pavlov, and we've already met the guests and the team looking after in the cabin. Welcome aboard our flight 1854 to Cairns this afternoon. And just taxiing to the takeoff position now, folks. Takeoff today will be to the southeast. It's a very warm day outside, as I'm sure you couldn't help but notice. The effect of that will be it'll be quite bumpy for the first 3 to 5 minutes after takeoff. So I'll be asking the cabin crew to remain seated for a little bit longer than usual. John and I will get the aircraft into the smooth as we can, as quickly as we can. There should be some very nice views out the right side of the aircraft as we make our departure of Ayers Rock. See from the left window. Just wait till we make our turn to intercept course. You'll get some good views of Ayers Rock and the Elvis as well. Flight time 2 hours and 15 minutes. I'll get back to you once we're underway. In the meantime, welcome aboard.